Now that you have your support information in Dispatch, let's add a load. From the Operations drop-down menu, select Loads and open the Load Browser. The columns in the Load Browser are user-definable. The Pick and Drop browsers and the Commodity Browser are also user-definable. Columns can be added or removed as your team needs. In fact, users or groups can have their own browser screens set up so that the information most important to them is viewed at a glance. The names of the columns are also customizable. Start by clicking the Add button. The next sequential number will be used. Double-click or hit the F1 button in the Billy field and choose a Billy from the previously added customers or add a new one on the fly. Hit Enter or Tab and the Billy information will populate. Manually enter the Billy PO number if desired. It is not required. Fill in the trailer if known, or enter the trailer number during dispatch of the load. Next, add your pickups. The shipper will default to the Billy, but can easily be changed. Fill in any other appropriate information you want to track, paying close attention to the date and time, which is very important information for dispatch operations and reporting. Manually fill in any instructions or memo if needed. If your customer has directions pre-filled in their file, these will automatically populate for you. Click OK and repeat for any other pickups this load may have. Next is the consignee area where you will add your drop-offs the same way as you did your pickups. The next section for commodities is optional, but easily filled in if desired. Multiple picks, drops, and commodities on each load is not a problem. Notice the book date and time is pre-filled. In the upper right-hand corner, we have the Load Info section. Build status and load status are filled in by the program, but the rest is available for you to manually fill in. In fact, several of the fields can have their labels changed in order for you to customize the load with information more appropriate to your company's needs. The Image button works the same as it does on the Load Browser, showing you any images already attached to this load. Rating can be by mile, weight, flat rate, and much more. If you are interfaced with a mileage program, you can either hit Calculate to fill in the miles, or the load will autofill the miles upon saving. You can also manually add the miles. If you are using our auto rating section, you can use the Rate button to choose a tariff. The Charges area tallies from the haul rate, pick and drop charges, and any additional charges for your review. Click OK to save.